In this video, I'll show you how to unlink threads from Instagram. To be able to unlink threads from Instagram, you can deactivate or delete your threads profile. If you don't know how to deactivate your profile, just go ahead and open up your threads app. Now, once you're in here, go ahead over to your profile right here at the bottom right, tap on it. Once done, go to the top right and tap on these two horizontal lines right here on top of your profile picture. All right, tap on it. Now in here, locate account. Tap on it. In here, just go ahead over to deactivate or delete profile. Tap on it. And as you can see here, for deactivating, your threads profile, content, likes, and followers will not be visible to anyone until you reactivate your profile by logging back in. Go ahead and deactivate your threads right here. And that way, you just successfully unlinked your threads from Instagram. All right. Now, if you want it to be permanent, go ahead and delete your profile by tapping on this section right here. As you can see, your threads profile, content, likes, and followers will be hidden before being permanently removed in 30 days. Just go ahead and tap on your option right here. It could be deactivate profile or delete profile. So go ahead and take this deactivate profile right here, and there will be a prompt. Are you sure? Just hit on deactivate and you'll be automatically logged out, and you just successfully unlinked your threads account from Instagram. There you have it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.